Hi, in this video, I want to discuss the journal entries. As we know, under the ByDesign system, each business transaction that affects accounting generates a journal entry automatically. In the ByDesign system, we can find the journal entries on the General Ledger work centers. Under the journal entries, we have the journal entries, the journal entries vouchers, intercompany journal entry vouchers, and recurring journal entry vouchers. So this journal entry under the journal entry, I know it's a little bit weird, but it is usually automatically generated by the business transaction, like create a sales invoice or a sales code, something else. Now, let's look up the journal entry vouchers. The journal entry vouchers are usually for manually input or doing some adjustment. Under there, we take a look for all journal entry vouchers. It have the posting status. It can show the posting status, the journal entry vouchers ID, the type and posting date, document date, tax and books, company, something else. And here we can see the general ledger account and debit side, the amount of debit, the amount of credit. There are some ways to manually input the journal entries. And here, click the news. We can directly enter the journal entry vouchers. We can also let it include the reference by journal entry voucher with the references. Also, we can import it from Excel document. I will show examples of enter the journal entry vouchers manually. In the header of the journal entry vouchers, the company ID is required, but we can see the settle books is optional. It looks weird, right? But actually it's not. The reason is if we leave it blank, the adjustment of these journal entry vouchers will affect every settle books by default. If the company have multiple settle books and they only want to do an adjustment in one settle books, we can select that in that specific book. And to find the books, we can click there and to find the books. Downstairs, we have the journal entry type, which basically a type of the journal entry we manually entries for adjustment or for move up or move down the amount. I will discuss this detailedly in our next video. In there, we can add a row, and to add the general ledger account, we need to enter the general ledger account name. And there's another question. If the name of general ledger account is different than account name in chart of account under the settle book of we chosen. So how to solve this? The solution is we can do a mapping between general ledger account and mapped account. Let me show you how to do this. To solving this, we're going to find the business configuration work center and looking for the implementation project in the first implementation. And also we're going to open the activity list. Now just waiting for loading. Okay, we open the activity list. Okay. And then we are going to search the account determination. This setting is under the account determination. At the bottom of the screen, we can see a general ledger account mapping. So in there, we can mapping between the general ledger account and mapped account. And here we choose what type of chart of account and the mapped chart of account. Okay, and there we do the specific mapping. Okay, we're back to the journal entry voucher. And here we enter the name and account. We can enter name here and its corresponding amount. Save and post afterward, and here, or use the post and new. The journal is considered complete. That is for today. See you in the next video. In the next video, I will discuss the detail of the journal entry type. Have a nice day.